Hi, K3. Good morning. It's great to see you. It's a brand new day. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Tuesday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. Super duper. And what month are we in? We're in the month of November. That's right. Can you help me read the date? Super. Today is Tuesday, November 9th, 2021. Things are just going by so quick, aren't they? Now, this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. How many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2, that's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5, that's right. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. And how many sounds do the vowels make? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. That's right. Super duper. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Look who I have here. It's Henrietta Hen. Can you say, hi, Henrietta Hen? Hi. Ha, ha, Henrietta Hen. Ha, he, he, ha, ha. Ha, ha, he, he, ha. Super. And who do we have here? Manny Monkey. Ma, ma, me, ma, ma. Ma, ma, me, me, ma. You got it. Super. Now we have a new friend. Do you want to see a new friend? Sammy Seal. Remember yesterday we learned about the letter S? So this is the blend for the letter S. There's Sammy Seal. Say hi, Sammy Seal. Sa, se, si, sa, sa. Sa, sa, si, sa, sa. Super duper. Now, look what we're going to do. I have the letter T here that makes the sound T. Let's make some words. Are you ready to make some words with me? You are reading. Sat, sat, sat. Super. Let's do another word. Set, set, set. You got it. One more. Sit, sit, sit. Yes, you guys are great readers. Now look what I have up here on the board. I have some words that start with the letter S. Can you help me read them? Look, the vowel, there's only one vowel in the word. So when there's only one vowel in the word, it says the short sound. So we mark it with a happy face. So, sat, sat, sat. You got it. Okay, let's do another one. Set, set, set. You are a great reader. One more. Sit, sit, sit. That's right. Super duper duper. Okay, so now this is the alphabet, and we know that just like you have a name and I have a name, the letters have names, and they go in order. There's 26 letters. The first letter is A, and the last letter is Z. Okay, so let's see if you know which letter comes after a certain letter. You want to try? Here we go. A, B, C, D. What comes after D? Do you know? E, that's right. Okay, let's do another set. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's do another set. F, G, H, I. What comes after I? J, that's right. Okay, let's do another set. K, L, M, N. What comes after N? Oh, that's right. Okay, let's do another set. P, Q, R, S. What comes after S? T, that's right. Okay, last one. U, V, W, X, Y. What comes after Y? Z. Super. We did the whole alphabet. Okay, and that is our class for today. Let's see, letters and sounds pages. No homework today. You guys are amazing. Keep it up. You're reading. I am so proud of you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.